Hello friends, JBM everyone. Good afternoon to all. Friends, I came on the social media for respond on the one tragic and sad incident was registered from the Andhra Pradesh and the Annamaya district and Rajampet Mandal, Balrajpalli village. There from the three members were died due to uh, the traveled in the river, which that river means Cheyeru river. They were went for the swimming at the river. They weren't to know how to swim. Weren't to know how to swim. That is why the four members they went. Three members drowned, four members drowned, three members retrieved their body from the river, but another one member he was missed. The villagers and the officials searching for his body, who was missing body. Friends, why they were drowned? You say, friends, uh, they they hadn't know how to swim. That is why they drowned. Might they knew about the swimming? They hadn't. That is why especially I am giving the suggestion to everyone who are my friends, my family friends, my kin and kith, sisters and brothers. Everyone should be cautious, yourself should be away from the water bodies. It is a rainy season, all are know. Year to year the rain situation also increasing, and heavy rain also coming down, and all are the water bodies, water resource like river, ponds, and tanks, floods, all are beamed with the water. That is why we should away from the water bodies. And even who are the new about the swimming, they also should be away from the water. We don't know how much depth that water body. That is why should be away from the water bodies, and should be take the one challenge like a green challenge, like the swimming challenge awareness program. Everyone who are the celebrities, who are the influencers, who are the civic persons, who are the social reformers, everyone should be take the swimming challenge awareness program, and should be give the awareness on the swimming. This is my message to everyone, and suggestion to everyone. Friends, the you know which are the well developed countries. They starting five from the 5 years, they start the swimming, and they give the coaching on the swimming, how to swimming. Well developed country, there was known one, the once yearly once known one or two cases didn't registered, wasn't registered from the neighbor countries. Which are the neighbor countries, which are the well developed countries. Especially in our India, you know year to year the deaths member increasing, and last year also many member were died due to the water bodies. When the flood coming time, they drowned, and someone so went for the swimming, that time they drowned. Really very sad to everyone. That is why, you know especially parents and government and society should be give the some skills, such like computer and cycling, and artificial intelligence, and swimming and driving. These these are the five skills, especially important, and important to this generation. should be give the coaching and skills and commanding on these skills. This is very important to our children. Every parents focus on your children and should be give the skills. Otherwise we spoil their life, who are our daughter and daughters or son. We will destroy their life. That is why should be focus on the your children life and children future. They all are who were Dravinudu. They had the bright future and bright life, but they Dravinudu and they were died. That is why won't repeat for, won't last the life. For we all are try and we all are give the some awareness program and give the train to our children how to swim, how to cycling, how to driving, riding, and how to use the AI, artificial intelligence. This give the to our babies. Everyone should be respond and should be give the progress program, awareness program. Thank you, JB.